No, the Cars bag is not the gift. You have to pull something out of the Cars bag. You gotta find your way through it, big guy. Ah, it's short!
Yeah, so you have something decent to wear.
Yes, what's that, please?
You know, if you overpeed.
It does.
Yes.
Oh, my.
Those are like daddy's shorts. I bet there's a shirt in there that looks like daddy's, too.
I bet.
Boys!
You
You got more.
Oops. Yeah. It's the fun thing about holidays, baby boy.
Put your hand in there, but it was for you.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's a
Sure.
shirt.
Yay!
Yeah, look at you. Hey, we're going to be twins tomorrow, big guy. Well, Monday.
Keep going.
What's that?
Look at him. He's like, what else is it?
Okay, now I go to the shirt thing.
Go ahead.
So you
Keep
gotta
going.
get that one.
I don't know. No. Keep going. You gotta open that one. Underwear!
What?
How I get it. That's a dark polo. You're gonna be one handsome, well-dressed young man.
Keep going.
Just like your daddy.
There's two fun ones in there if you ever get to them. That's for your picture.
Markers! Oh, hold on.
Okay, but we don't...
We don't need to get them out right now. What are you doing?
Well, he wants to try. Look. And you go